Hey there! Are you still struggling to find the perfect background images for your designs? Or spending hours scrolling through stock photo websites? Well, what if I told you there's a faster and smarter way? In this video, I'll show you how to use Photoshop's generative fill to create beautiful custom images right within the app. No extra tools, no extra time. Let's get started. Photoshop's generative fill lets you create stunning images using just a few words. Whether you need a polished background for a presentation, a creative mockup, or a simple placeholder, this tool is your new best friend. And trust me, it's so easy to use that you'll wonder how you managed without it. First, grab the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar. This tool lets you define where your image will go. Think of it as drawing a frame for your creativity. If you want a full background image, select the entire canvas. If you're working on a smaller section, adjust your selection accordingly. This step sets the stage for the magic to happen. With your area selected, it's time to call in Photoshop's generative fill. Click the button and you're one step closer to a custom image generated just for you. Simple, right? Now for the fun part. Your creative prompt. This is where you tell Photoshop exactly what you want. I'll type a beautiful morning landscape. But feel free to get specific. Add details like lighting, mood, or colors. For example, a serene mountain landscape at sunrise with warm tones. Just avoid prompts involving people. Things like hands and faces can get, let's say, a little funky. And here's a pro tip. Detailed prompts often result in more refined images. Experiment with different descriptions to see what works best. Now, click Generate and Photoshop will work its magic, offering you 3 image options. Review each one carefully. Look for details like composition, lighting, and overall fit for your design. If nothing clicks, refine your prompt or hit Generate again for a fresh batch of ideas. Here's another pro tip. Sometimes you'll find one option with great lighting and another with better details. You can always combine them using layers or masks for a truly custom look. Once you've picked your favorite, move it into place. Adjust the layer order so your background sits behind the other elements. You can tweak the color or apply filters to match your theme. And there you have it. Your design is ready and it looks stunning. Also, while Photoshop's generative fill is excellent for quick designs, in the current version of Photoshop that I'm using, its model is currently one version behind Adobe Firefly. If you need ultra detailed images, Firefly might be worth exploring. But for fast, seamless results, Photoshop's built-in tool is perfect, especially when you are in a creative flow. So that's how you can use Photoshop's generative fill to create stunning images and layouts in just a few clicks. Whether you are designing for work, school, or personal projects, this tool is a time saver that adds incredible value to your workflow. Now it's your turn. What's the most creative prompt you can think of for generative fill? Drop your ideas in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Until next time, take care and keep creating.